Don't get me saying stupid shit.
That's all you say.
I know, but I mean, I don't want to be saying like derogatory shit. Like this nigga right here. Look at this nigga right here. Yo, put some shit on. I want to see fucking Your Highness.
Yeah, Dave, put on Your Highness already.
Try it. My remote don't work.
Your remote sucks.
Give me a remote. I'll put it on with the triangle shit.
Everything about my life except the second Friday of the month.
Get your goddamn. Give me that motherfucking controller.
Somebody order a large pepperoni dick with a pizza on
With
top.
a pizza on top. There you go. Yo, no. Oh, what are you doing? Let me see that thing.
Here, how about it? Try and get it to fucking that.
I got you, bitch. What's going on? Oh.
Only certain buttons work.
I got it. You just gotta push them harder. No, the down button doesn't work.
No shit. I like how you guys think it goes Zuzz.
It is. You're fucking
There's no Zuzz in there.
It is fucking you. That's what you do.
There's no Zuzz.
Fuck you. We were outside. Dave was like, I love the fact that she put so many Z's in her fucking laugh.
There's no Zuzz. There's no Zuzz.
Fuck you. There's all kinds of fucking Z's.
My Z's never happened. There's no Zuzz in there. It's
I hate this controller.
I hate you guys.